Hello, dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Firstly, I discussed in last videos why is English necessary, and this was the topic. But now we can going to the discuss about same topic and some points eventually to have. Why is English necessary? You can see on the board side and then topic: communicate effectively, traveling a lot of career easier, helping learn about each other, world's knowledge, learn more about different culture, more access to the internet and job opportunity. Then the main reason English is necessary. When you read and study about the English subject and English languages, then we have to clarify the all topics. And first topic we want to describe that communicate effectively. When we talk to each other, that time first stage of the communication. And communication, if your communication is very good, then you can ask and say the question to each other very smartly. So we can say that communication is very important according to the English language. Okay, so we can say that why is English necessary. Access to the first point, communication effectively. And second point, when we go to the second point, traveling a lot of easier. When you go to the traveling each other and any other places, some our regional languages and our national languages do not work hardly. So many foreigner main types of people are traveling in that size or place. So we have to learn firstly making a good communication to each other. This is also important topic, because when we were traveling and within some people, like traveling is a lot easier. When we talk to the English languages, it will be easier for me. So English is necessary. This is the second point, clarify. And third point, helping learn about each other. When we learn something from the frontier man, that time we have to not clarify anything. So when we take the question and remark the answer, that time English communication and English languages is helping to broadcasting our each other. So the third point, helping learn about each other, is the very necessary topic point of the English importance. The fourth point, world's knowledge. When we learn about English and make some translation, make some communication, talking to each other, this is the perfectly conversation of world's knowledge. And world's knowledge is not available in only Hindi and regional languages. We all know when we study other types of book and other variant types of book, that time we have thought main types of question and main types of answer. But eventually we learn in Indian English languages. Sometime is clarify, but not forever. So we have not more knowledge about English, not more language about communication, debate classes, speech, conversational communication. These all are the failures in our mind. So we can't understand the matters of the English and foreigners English. So world's knowledge, if we want to gain world's knowledge, then we have to improve our communication languages and conversation with the each other. This is the necessary of English. It will be continue with 4 points. Number 5 points, learn more about different culture. We are from India, and we know there are a lot of culture and civilization in our Indian country. But when we approach our culture and civilization to assume to another country, another states, that we have to fail to describe and define the culture and civilization. So firstly, English says if you know that every types of culture and civilization, you have to study about English languages and English conversation. Firstly, when we move our language in English conversation and communication, then we have to knowledge, we have to keep put our smile on our face that time we reply any culture and any civilization from our Indian country and Indian states. So last, more access to the internet. This is the age of internet, we can say that. Everywhere internet taking upwards to the going, and many things, I mean whole of things is dependent on internet and internet criteria. So this is the need of basic this day. If we learn internet study like computer and web web information. This is the helpful for our communication gap and communication languages. So this will the 7 point, and this will be very important for English necessary. And the finish point of job opportunities. When we clarify the any examination, we have to opportunity the choose language for your explain any about of questions, answers, and competition fighting examination. So if we want to take a job, then we have to good English, and if we keep good English then we have to clarify the job and taking main types of examination. So these all points for the according to English necessary, like communicative effectively, traveling a lot of easier, helping learning words knowledge, learns more about different cultures, more access to the job, entertainment, internet, and opportunities like communication gap. So these all parts and all points is very necessary according to the English necessary English topic and English conversation. So lastly, I want to say that you like my videos, subscribe my channel, and wishing thank you.